think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Triclosan is often found in household cleaners and air fresheners. Triclosan is suspected of disrupting the hormone systems of animals and people. This chemical is water soluble and soluble in ethanol and methanol. All these chemicals dissolve in water, which can be harmful because of when we wash our hands, the triclosan in the soap goes into our waterways and pollutes our water. This is the molecular structure of triclosan. Temperature does not affect its solubility, but adding other chemicals to triclosan will make it more soluble in temperature. These are some harmful pollutants.
For me and you, and I think to myself, what a
What you see here is a dial antibacterial soap bar. A natural soap bar measures in the pH of 9 to 9.5, making it too alkaline for the bacteria in an environment to live in and multiply. The truth is that a natural soap bar is not suitable for an environment for most microbes and carries less personal and public health risks than a natural pH balanced bars of detergent and antibacterial hand washes, and it is needed in the better option for your hands and the environment. What you see here is a landfill. A landfill is a good example of non-plant pollution because that means that you can't trace the pollution back to its original source. You don't know where it came from. Improperly disposing triclosan can make it end up in this landfill by throwing it in the garbage or pouring it down the drain, pouring it in ditches, storm drains, or gutters. You can't burn triclosan because then it will go into the air, and you shouldn't dump or bury it because then it goes into our groundwater.
Triclosan can be in this water right here, but you don't know. You know if it reacts with chlorine in tap water. Contact allergy to triclosan is very uncommon. In one study of patients with suspected contact dermatitis with unknown cause, less than 1% of patients had positive reactions to triclosan. The concentration of triclosan is 0.1% to 0.45% weight/volume.
Triclosan is linked to liver and inhalation toxicity. Low levels of triclosan may disrupt thyroid function. However, treatment does not remove all of the chemical. Triclosan ends up in lakes, rivers, and water sources, as you see here, where it is very toxic to aquatic life.
Scientists are doing dissolved oxygen tests to see if triclosan is in the drinking water. Triclosan can cause inhalation of skin absorption or of chloroform. Triclosan is a chemical compound that can prevent the growth of bacteria. Studies in animals have found that it disrupts hormone levels. Triclosan is an endocrine disruptor.
Triclosan is a synthetic antibacterial agent whose use has become widespread in toothpaste and mouthwashes, deodorants, as you see here, cosmetics, fabrics, and plastics, and other products.
It can cause allergies and asthma by weakening the immune system. It disrupts the hormonal system and it can build up in our bodies. It belongs to a class of chemicals that are suspected of causing cancer in humans. When triclosan is exposed to sunlight and water, it may convert into the potent toxic chemical dioxin, which is harmful to the environment. Triclosan is removed by the wastewater treatment plant process and slowly in sediment. When triclosan is removed, it is partly broken down, but approximately half of the incoming mass of triclosan remains in sewage sludge. It can be removed from water. The government isn't doing anything about this problem, but people are complaining, so they are aware of it. Optimized water treatment can remove up to 95% of triclosan. Triclosan is regulated as a pesticide by the EPA and the Food and Drug Administration. There are legal limits set in China but not in the United States. The antibacterial soap industry can stop using this harmful chemical for their soap to help this problem.
wonderful